Hello, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learning how to hide and show drawing views. To hide your drawing view, right-click on the view you want to hide. And in this option, if you don't see your hide, click on this arrow and you select hide. And that is how you hide the view. And let's hide this main view. So we'll right-click on that view. Again, select the drop-down arrow and select hide. And notice now it is giving us an option to either hide both views. So the selection is, do you want to hide the dependent view? Because this section view is depending on the view we are trying to hide. Selecting yes will hide both views, but selecting no will only hide the view we want to hide. So in this example, we will select no. And that is how you hide views in SolidWorks drawing. To show your view, so click OK. And to show your view, select the area you know that view is, and you'll see this blue mark. Right click on it and click show. That is how you show your view. Again, we know there's a view in this area. We'll click and right click and select show. And that is how you hide and show views in SolidWorks drawing. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture.